I come on my job interview too. What? Man, right up, man. Must let me get so much girl.
I feel that you're my bleach now. I'm from.
Okay, you know what? That I have a resume. You want something about yourself?
I'ma put my trust in her, I'm gonna put my trust in her.
So I'm gonna put the trust in a man.
Thing is, send me girl, you're paying for.
Okay, I see. Whenever they had New Year's night, where do New Year's night?
At the mouth of shot man fire New Year's time.
Yeah, we have to tap your badness in. What's about that?
Badness, me done with the badness, done with the badness.
When I put my trust in a people, I feel that.
Hey, put your trust in the people, put your heart in the shit.
Respect.
Me say go on here, you want me respect a hustler.
Alright, then I know I'm just scared about it.
I know it's intense out here, I joke man, I mean speedy, but channel, please remember to subscribe, share, definitely. Click the notification bell, cause watch ya, enough more bad video than this will come out, so watch ya, stay tuned.